Bind off, which is to finish a knitting piece to prevent the knitting from unraveling. Again, there are many methods to bind off. Let's do the most beginner-friendly way, the basic knit bind off. It looks great with a firm and a neat braided edge. Let's go. Knit 2 stitches. Insert the left needle into the first stitch on the right needle. Pull this stitch over the second stitch and off the right needle. One stitch remains on the right needle as shown. Knit the next stitch. Repeat the process until you have bound off the required number of stitches. Once you reach the last stitch, just cut off the yarn and finish the loop. Okay, that's 5 out of 11 down. So I took off the bounded stitches that I just bounded to continue my demonstration.